This is Caulerpa taxifolia. It's a fast-growing marine alga that spreads through tiny fragments. Even a few millimeters of broken frond can grow into a whole new plant, which is one of the core reasons it's so difficult to remove once established. And my inquiry focuses on the invasive seaweed Caulerpa taxifolia in Lake Macquarie. It's a species that has kept reappearing in the lake for over 20 years. And once you start unpacking the science, you realise it affects both the ecology of the system and the way people use and enjoy the lake. In this presentation, I'll share what I found, why it matters, and what all of us can do moving forward. As shown here in the DPI Morphology Guide, Caulerpa has paired leaflets, creeping runners, and a constricted stalk. These structural features allow it to cover large areas quickly, especially over disturbed or bare sediments. Importantly, this isn't just a Lake Macquarie issue. Caulerpa has been recorded across multiple New South Wales estuaries since the early 2000s. That statewide pattern is part of the reason management has shifted from early eradication attempts to a risk-based containment approach. In Lake Macquarie itself, Caulerpa has been detected around Myuna Bay, Wangi, Pulba Island, Swansea, and Mannering Park. These sites have appeared, disappeared, and then reappeared over time, showing a patchy but persistent pattern of recurrence. For example, in 2016, it was found again at Green Point, and that sparked local concern because new patches can spread quickly before anyone notices them. Most recently, another detection made headlines and confirmed that Caulerpa is still active in the lake and still capable of re-emerging even after long gaps. Beyond the ecological issues, there are social impacts. Caulerpa can replace native seagrasses that act as nursery grounds for fish. Research consistently shows that Caulerpa-dominated areas support fewer species and fewer juveniles compared with seagrass meadows. This is how it spreads. Fragments hitchhike on anchors, propellers, fishing nets, and dive gear. New South Wales DPI identifies boating as one of the main human-mediated vectors, which is why education and behaviour changes are essential. These are high-risk points that boaters need to inspect. Cleaning these areas properly when entering and leaving the lake can dramatically reduce the spread of fragments into new coves. The DPI's current advice is simple. Check, clean, dry. It's practical, it's easy, and it's the most effective public action we have. Locally, Lake Macquarie City Council is supporting environmental monitoring, community science, and research grants. These projects help track new detections, support reporting, and build public awareness, things that are essential for long-term containment. Long-term, if Caulerpa isn't contained, we're likely to see further loss of native seagrass habitats like Zostera and Posidonia. These habitats stabilise sediments, cycle nutrients, support nursery fish, and play a major role in the lake's ecological resilience. Socially, that means fewer fishing opportunities, reduced amenity, more closures, and a gradual decline in how people connect with the lake as a cultural and recreational place. The community relies on this system, and losing that connection would be a significant long-term social impact. But with awareness, small behavioural changes, and ongoing community involvement, we can keep Caulerpa from spreading further and protect both the ecological and social value of Lake Macquarie.